Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Hey, branche toi, hein? Tu fais, man? Qu'est-ce que tu fais, man? T'es bien calme, esti! Out in front of me. Right out in front of me. What are you fucking doing? Holy shit. Holy.
The video is locked.
What are you doing, bro? Are you aware of other people? What's wrong with you?
Damn, girl. What the?
Whoa. God.
Yeah, you know, what options do these parents have is one of the big ones we get all the time. I mean, we're handling several wrongful death cases involving similar facts and symptoms.
Could be illustrated when she's actually, you could have DNA on something that you touched, you got DNA on something that you've never touched, and to get DNA they've looked at pieces, items 20, 40 years on that don't have degradation. You got Tyler Robinson's prints amongst 5+.
It's the wrong way! You are not getting in front of me, dude. Prick! Oh my god!
Oh, jeez.
Video protected.
Honda Link Assist will call emergency services after the countdown is completed.
Куда дебил?
Редко.
Погоди.
Stop sign? No, I said I'm. What stop sign, man?
How long does this limbo last? Federal rules provide the government with a 60-day window from last week's ruling if it still wants to proceed. 60 days. That's the number to keep in your head. The Second Amendment Foundation's Adam Kraut said it about as well as it can be said. While the excitement of the...
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.